Hi folks, welcome to the channel. It's Thursday, it's early in the morning, it's a beautiful clear day as usual, and I'm heading to this area, which is an area I've been in before when I did my paragliding, or I believe it's the same area, which means it's very hilly. That'll give you a wee bit of a clue what I'm going to do, but yeah, second item I'm going to do on my bucket list today, and I will not lie, I'm petrified. It was meant to be on Tuesday and they put it off to today, and it just gave me 2 more days to think about it. I don't know if I'm going to do this now, and I'm not joking. So going back now about 12 years ago, I was in America with my dad and I decided to do what I'm going to do today, and we went and I backed out. Just couldn't do it. Now the one big difference is I've already paid for today's, so maybe that'll encourage me, but honestly I'm not sure this video is going to be made at all. But anyway, I've always wanted to do it. Hope I have the courage to do it. I'm sure you already know what it is, but I'm still not going to say it just yet. This is about an hour and a half's drive. I'm trying to think about nice things and I'm not going to keep talking the whole way there, so I'll see you when we get there. Onward and upward. Wonderful roads. Lovely way to spend a Thursday morning. Fantastic.
Five minutes later.
Right, so we're here. Well, we're nearly here. I have 20 minutes walking to do now. Anyone who hasn't figured out what I'm here to do, have you figured it out now? Does that make sense? Doesn't matter. Alright, so 20-minute walk. I'm going to put my walking boots on, by the way. Plenty of people walking in this path. How lucky am I? Isn't this wonderful? It smells beautiful. Oh, gee whiz. Just fantastic. I've been just thinking, you know, before lockdown I never went anywhere, and then during lockdown I started to make videos, and when I was allowed out I went and done all these walks, and then when I came eventually all over Europe, but when I eventually came to Spain I had these days like today where I'm going to do something specific, climb a mountain or whatever, go paragliding, and I forgot what it feels like. It feels wonderful. If I wasn't cropping myself, this would be amazing. Or correction, if I wasn't cropping myself, this would be even more amazing. Just seen a donkey. Big donkey, very big donkey. It's like a horse-sized donkey. Just give you a clue to what I'm doing, or I'm going to be doing. Hiking tip number 1: bring water. Hiking tip number 2: don't bring water from home, because by the time you get where you're going in Spain, it's going to be warm. Yeah, buy your water just before you get to where you're going. Give you another clue. Do you see it? It's a bridge. That noise is a cicada, and that, if it is, that's the first I've heard this summer. Many more to come. Getting super nervous. Yep, that's a bridge, and I'm going to jump off it with a big string attached to my feet. Gee whiz, that's the problem of not being married. You know, you have nobody to help you make your decisions. Oh, I swear to God, I must be crazy. I need somebody to stop me. This is the most adventurous thing I've ever done. and the butterflies are going in my stomach like crazy. And I seen the bridge there, it was like, I hope they're not there. And I'm going to be about 2 minutes late. Maybe they'll have left. Right, courage, courage. Not beautiful? One good thing, that was a bit of a steep climb and I'm boiling hot, so I suppose it'll cool me down. Even better still if there's water down below, if it's a river. Dunk my head. No, don't. Can't see any people. I see a guy. I see a rope. Looks like it's not off the high bit. Jesus, that's wishful thinking. Definitely no water. Vamos! A couple of people walked past and squealed, sort of laughing. I said to him, will you give me a wee push? Nope. So I have to jump, and he said, jump out. Oh my God. Lisburn baths when I was about 11, jumped off the top board. Took me weeks to build up to it. But once I did it loads of times. So it'll be alright. Don't like where this is attached onto, by the way. Used to be a plumber. And my tail just by the threads. Let's hope they're strong.
Okay.
Okay. Right?
Yeah. Okay, stop. Your hand again is stop. Stop.
Yep. Can't believe where I'm standing. Right guys, I'm going to try and hold the camera, but I doubt I'm going to be able to. Oh my God, you've no idea. Okay?
Okay,
Oh,
ready?
right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Ah!
Jumped off a bridge. So far, the handrail's held. Done it! I always thought I wanted to do a bungee jump, and let me tell you, after that, I'll never do it again. But it's done. I think I'm going down. I think if I'd have stood there a second longer than he encouraged me to jump, I wouldn't have jumped. I was so close to just climbing back over. Phew! Brilliant. Now let's see what this adrenaline buzz they all talk about's like. Because at the minute, I'm still frightened. I noticed when one of my laces was undone, and I thought, I hope it doesn't trip me up, but then that doesn't really matter, does it?
One pair of pants later.
When he put the hat on, I thought, yeah, if this rope breaks, this wee plastic hat's really going to help me. That was brilliant. Now, some of you might have noticed something I hadn't noticed until I was up there. It wasn't a round your feet, jump off upside down, bungee jump, and I didn't realise that. But for what I wanted, it's still a bungee jump, and I still jumped off a big massive bridge. I can't believe I just did that. Oh, I'm spinning, and you can feel the adrenaline. Oh, now I have to climb a big hill, I'm knackered. Oh.
One eternity later.
Jumped off that. Bye. Bye. He asked me did I want a second jump. So you're joking? Oh my god. Done. Never to be done again. But fantastic. It's over much quicker than you think. You only jump, it's over. And notice, I think, held on to the camera the whole time. As long as the YouTube channel's okay, never mind me. There you go, done. Right, so I'm going to leave it off there. I'm going to go now and get a lovely ice cold Coca-Cola, and then I'm going, believe it or not, to look at a car. Now I'm not intending to buy a car, I'm just going to look. Thing is, my car, which I love, has black cloth seats, and if you put Buster in it, it destroys them. It's as simple as that. Millions of white hairs, and the seats look terrible anyway, even with me trying to clean them. Also, ever since the drive down where it sort of broke down and then kept going, it does chug a bit whenever you're accelerating, and I'm thinking, is it time? Also, my dad left me a wee bit of money, and he always encouraged me to buy nice cars, and I'm thinking maybe that's what I'll do with what he left me. So we'll see, but I don't think so. But anyway, that's where I'm going to look, and I'll not take you with me, but if I decide to buy it or buy one, I will, but I don't think I want to. Alright, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Subscriptions are so important to the channel. Go on, I jumped off a bridge for you. Wee subscription. Thumbs up would be fantastic, and I'd love to hear your comments, and still I reply to them all. Alright then, so until next time, bye for now.
Just then.
Feet in boots. Oh, I wouldn't like to smell them. Probably stinking. Hello. You're beautiful, aren't you? You're a beautiful horse. Oh my god. Whew. I'm back to the car. Oh, that was tough. Oh, I'm sweltered. Absolutely sweltered. And I can't wait to get these boots off. My feet are swimming.